It's cold as fuck. Oh yeah, those brakes are good. This is long overdue, but let's do it. I honestly don't remember when was the last time I changed the brake fluid, but we're gonna get it flushed out today. Gotta remove the windshield. And now I'm gonna remove this to bleed my system. Pump on the lever 3 times, hold, bleed. And do it until it's clear. And that's how it's done. Let's put everything back. Oh. Let's go for a ride. Welcome to my first motovlog. And let me tell you, it's cold as fuck. Don't mind if I do. Oh! It's rush hour. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm cold. Now is probably a good time to test out the brakes. They feel so much better. When I first got the bike, I have changed all the fluids but the brake fluids. It's definitely one of those items where people overlooked, and it plays such a big role. My brakes used to feel like wood blocks, but now they're responsive, and it's definitely smoother. My pin lock's not sealing properly, so I can't see a thing. Oh yeah, those brakes are good. Alright, I'll stop the talking. Enjoy the clips. If you have made it this far, I hope you're enjoying it. Hopefully I'll get to do more riding while the weather's still nice. I'll see you next time. Ride safe. Damn it.